Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a new reading session on the Bookly application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Books section down below in the left side corner of the screen. Select the book you are interested in and click on this plus icon next to the continue reading button in the right side of the screen. Here you can type in the current page, then the end page, then the session duration, and also the session date. Tap on add session. And then you will be able to find it in the reading sessions section. So here you will be able to find it here. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.